Hey there! Today I have for you a couple of unboxings. I'm gonna start with this beautiful cat eye gel polish from Imeili. We have the instructions and they are including as well the magnet that you need to use these gel polishes. And here are all the colors. They are named in numbers, so you can see everything here on the screen. And as well, I'm gonna list everything in the description down below if you want to check it out. As you can see, these are very cute and beautiful. I really like working with cat eye gel polishes because you can create so many things with it. The next unboxing that I have for you today is from Shein. I purchased a few items that I need for my press-on nail business. I'm trying a few more cat eye gel polishes from the brand Sexai. I already used their top coat and it's very nice, so I decided to try their cat eye gel polishes and they're absolutely beautiful. These ones are not HEMA or TPO free according to the description, but that's okay with me as long as I wear gloves and don't let any uncured gel on my skin. I'll be okay. And the first item that I have here is double side tape. I use this double side tape for my press-on nail packages. I like this because they are already pre-cut. I decided to try a few more silicone molds to create my own charms. And this is just a gadget that I wanted to try. It's supposed to go on the back of your phone case, and then you just can stick your phone anywhere that you can place suction caps and film yourself like that, easier, without tripod. I just purchased some new thank you labels. The ones I had before, they are holographic and you can barely see what it says on the label. These ones over here, as you can see, they're so reflective. So I decided to try these new ones and they are very cute. I like them. And here I have a few more of the silicone molds. These ones are curved, so that means that they're gonna be laying flat on top of the nails. I'm really looking forward to use all these. They are so cute. I purchased 4 bottles of top coat and 4 different cat eye gel polishes. And all these bottles are 15 ml, which is a good size. You will have a product for a while. I'm going to apply these little swatches right on top of the cap of the bottles, since they don't display the colors outside the bottles, so this will make it easier for me to find them later when I need them. There's a little scratch here on the side, not a big deal. And I noticed that only one bottle has a label with information. It says I need to be used within 24 months after opening. So I'm not sure why they don't apply that label to all of them. So I guess because they're from Shein and cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these swatches and place it on top of the cup. I'm organizing my table here because I need to complete 6 press-on nail orders. I have a customer that fell in love with this design that is the most difficult one that I have created. But it took me a long time, but I did it. I completed all the orders, and I think the customer is going to be happy because I put my 100% effort into it. So this is the first set. As you can see, my original design was on long stiletto, but I'm going to recreate it on medium almond, and I'm using the press nail tips. And yes, at the end they came out really cute. So the customer fell in love with this design and she ordered it in multiple colors. At the end you're going to see all the colors that she chose, and it took me forever. This design is not easy, it's very difficult because I create each petal individually by hand, and it was worth it, I think, because all the hard work paid off. At least I was happy with it. I hope she's happy with it. I already shipped this order to the US and in Canada, and I opened shipping to the US from the Etsy website, but I think I'm gonna close it back again because it was super expensive. I think with all these new regulations from the US, it's not making it any easier or any cheaper to ship. So I'm gonna keep it just to Canada right now, and hopefully in the future I can open to the US again. I'm prepping the nails for the next set, and it's going to be in the medium stiletto. Again, press nail tips, and this one is going to be a combination of yellow base with white flowers on top. In this video, I'm just going to show you just a little bit of the process. If you want to see the whole process on how to create these nails, check out the video that I have on my channel right here, and I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Yes, because otherwise it's going to be a very long video. Now I'm just packaging all the nails, but by the time I end up editing this video, I have already shipped her nails. So hopefully she's very happy because I really put a lot of effort into it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next one, and you have a wonderful day for now. Bye bye.